One thing gardening reminds us of pretty quickly is that the garden doesn't take care of itself. If you want tomatoes, beans, or a good crop of lettuce, you actually have to show up and do some work. You've got to plant, you have to water, you have to weed. Sometimes, regretfully, you even have to start over. Life works that way sometimes too. Life isn't a spectator event. The good things in life grow when we take part in them, when we invest our time and our attention and care. Unfortunately, weeds seem to grow just fine without our help, but I'm still trying to figure out that system. According to the Bible, the first place people ever lived was in a garden. God created Adam and Eve, and He placed them in the Garden of Eden. Imagine that for a moment. Perfect soil, perfect climate, no weeds, no bugs. Honestly, most gardeners today would call that a miracle. In that garden there was peace, there was abundance, and most importantly, there was fellowship with God. But as the story goes, humanity chose its own way instead of God's way. And we were removed from the garden. Instead of living in paradise, we now live in a world where things require effort, where we work, struggle, and sometimes learn things the hard way. I'm pretty sure weeds were introduced right about that time too. Even though we no longer live in that first garden, many of us feel drawn back to that garden. Maybe that's why people have gardened for thousands of years. Not just to grow food, which we need, but to reconnect with something deeper, to slow down, to care for something living, and maybe even to feel a little closer to God. So if you have the chance this year, plant something. Big, small, plant something. Spend time in nature. Feel the warmth of the sun. Breathe in the freshness of the garden air. Squish some mud between your toes. Say a prayer while you're out there. If you enjoy peaceful gardening ideas like this, subscribe to the channel. And remember, the garden usually teaches us something new every season. Don't forget, keep those fingers dirty.